Changing your Shopify website title is one of the quickest ways to improve how your store appears in search engines and browser tabs. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the home screen, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Online Store. Then select Preferences from the secondary menu that appears. This section controls the foundational settings for your entire storefront. Once you are on the Preferences page, the first field you will see at the top is the homepage title box. This is your website title. It is usually limited to about 70 characters, and this is exactly what Google will display as the clickable blue link in search results. Delete the default text and type in your store name. A strong strategy is to add 1 or 2 relevant keywords after your brand name, but keep it readable for humans first and search engines second. Directly below the title, you will find the homepage meta description field. While this is not the title itself, it works hand in hand with it to improve your click-through rate. Use this space to write a complete sentence or two, up to 320 characters, explaining what your store sells and why a customer should visit. This description often appears as the black text snippet underneath your title in search results. When you have finished editing your homepage title and meta description, scroll to the very bottom of the page. Click the green Save button to apply the changes immediately. Keep in mind that it can take search engines anywhere from a few hours to several days to index this new information, so the old title might still show up in Google results for a short time. However, if you open a new incognito browser window and visit your store, you will see the new title reflected in the tab right away.